This is a feast which has been taking place for last 500 years. The traditions are maintained by the village of Kansaolim, Koelim and Arusim. Each king is from each village. Now this king is selected from each village by the original people from Kansaolim. It's very difficult to get a chance because it's in a life. You get a chance in a lifetime. When a child is born from that community, his name is written at least 5-6 years prior, and then later on he gets his chance. So after taking his first Holy Communion, he gets a chance to be one of the kings. When Jesus was born and the three kings came to visit him, they came with three gifts: myrrh, frankincense and gold. So it is each king carries one of the significance which was presented to Jesus. And it was given to Jesus on 6th January.
Three kings start from different points around the village and they meet up at one point set just below the hill. From there, they come up and we have a mass celebration. I have been a king, I have the son of king, my father, my grandfather, all have been made kings. So it is a traditional feast, and of course importance is given to the religious part.